Hello everyone. So today we are going to see Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield AI is basically designed for specifically for video generation, content creation, and AI marketing. So as you can see over the screen, like there are this game, video editing, like recraft also, modding, and it contains multiple tools to for video generation, content creation, making, editing videos, and so more. So like as you can see, like these are some presets provided by Higgsfield. So in layman language, we can say it is a all-in-one tool that is used for content creation, AI video generation, AI video editing, and some like that. It offers a supercomputer, like here you can see. Uh, this supercomputer integrates multiple top tier AI models into single dashboard that we can use for generating our content. Like you can see, uh, there are many models of AI: GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, Speed Dream 5.0. Like it's basically a platform that provides every source, every image generation or AI model that generates content into one place. It is used by many people and many ad agencies to build their ads for filmmaking and etc. So Higgsfield enable user to generate cinematic video clips, add realistic special effects, even enable changing environment. So it also have plugins like connectors that are used by people to connect to their different apps that they are using. Let us see some examples. Like creating an image, creating a video. Like we can add image, choose preset, and get video like this. It's simple as like uploading image, giving prompt, specific prompt, choosing preset, and getting video. There are different plugins that are that is present in, uh, in this platform. Let's see the marketing studio. So like we can also these are used by marketing or someone a small startup, like they can just give their product and uh, it can generate into ad like unboxing videos. You can see it also adds automatically the audio to the video. It can also generate hypermotion, UGC, TV ad. There are endless possibility to use the Higgsfield AI. Let's see some of the example by other people too, like this image generation. These don't look the AI generated, but too realistic, like a shot in professional studio or somewhere professional. The video generation is like this. The animation is also looking like not authentic, like not generated by AI, uh, giving me the vibe of Spider-Man into Spider-Verse. Yeah, there is also for like we can generate games too using this. Like people have generated like these games. Like let's say let Like these, it's all generated by AI, like not by anyone manually generated. These are generated by AI. Let's see other games too, like Protocol and Hush, Over Rush. You can also check it out by using the Higgsfield AI and play these games. Like, let's see the TV ad. As there are many example, it can also use for generating like these. So the output generated by Higgsfield is very good. Uh, so people prefer it over the uh, going to separate places like there is OpenAI for image generation, Google's Gemini also for image generation, but it provides a single place where we can use all of these. So people use the Higgsfield uh, over others. So we can also link the apps we already use for with Higgsfield. There's also Instagram, LinkedIn, GitHub, Superbase, etc. So let's see how typical workflow works. So like we have an idea, we turn it into a prompt, and we generate a character or an image. We then we have, if we want to generate the video, we use that image to generate a video. Upscale and edit. We can also edit video in it only. Then we can use connector to post it on Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere we want automatically. So let's discuss some real use case of this Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield AI is used in marketing for product advertisement, brand launches. It is used in fashion for streetwear campaign, lookbooks generation, and many more. So for in content creation, it can be used to make Instagram reels, TikTok reels, YouTube shorts. It can also be used in making music videos, movie trailer, etc. Yeah, so like we can generate a prompt like these. We generated, we written this prompt. So it is streetwear fashion, the prompt, a confident streetwear model, like Tokyo street light, night oversized hoodie. Yeah. So it's all-in-one media AI media generation tool. You can use it for like it is basically used by initially by early startups, but eventually also many of the big agencies are using this for their marketing and campaigning. Yeah, we can also do many things from this. It also has Da Vinci Resolve, poster making, like people are making posters. We can check it out many other people poster and their prompt that they have given. Mm, like this one, there's the prompt. These prompts are pretty detailed. Like to get the better result, we have to give the pretty detailed prompts for generating the best result. There's it is generating videos. These are not looking like generated by AI, but they are properly generated. This trailer, like thing, it's all generated by AI. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it is also generating audio in it. Not only uh, video, but audio also. There are many movies created by this only. Short movie like this, generated by Higgsfield. It's pretty cool. Like people are generating these uh, original movies using images and their ideas. It unlocks the endless possibility of human capability to build the things like from their imagination. We can also collab with the other people's work and do many things. Like people can also build their influencer. Like many people even earn up to $3,500 with their AI influencers uh, over the social media. You can change the generation, gender, uh, like character type, and be human, their ethnicity, skin color, eye color, etc. So yeah, you must try out the Higgsfield AI for content creation. It's best in overall. Best, not best. Like it's pretty good. Like to be honest, like if you want to try out many things in only one place, like it's best platform to provide that everything in one place. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.